Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will unbox several packages from China. As you know, I'm all the time buying directly from China and have special series of videos unboxing from China. Why I'm buying from China? Because I can find a lot of interesting things which are not in other markets. I can get high quality, low price items just using shipping forwarder companies to get in my local address. So hope you like these videos, and let's start to unbox and see what I have bought. Frankly speaking, I do not remember what in which packages because it took about 3 months, 4 months to get in my local address. So I'm forgetting what I bought and which one in which packages. So let's do unbox together and find out. Okay, this is very interesting adapter, and the price of this about $7 and plus $1 for shipping to my local address. We see this central adapter which goes here. All this aluminum anodized painting, you can see brush knobs, really quality thing. And for we are using, this is universal for trim rotors, like a base. You can screw your rotor here and do grooving for central part of material. For example, I will try to show. If you need to do some groove on this material like this, you get the center, tighten these two knobs underneath, and easily and precisely you can do groove or a lot of other things with this adapter. And for the price just $8-9, this quality is amazing. Fully recommend. And you can see there is this is metric version marking to just opening these jaws. As well, they send this very sturdy plastic adapter you put in the center to center all this adapter on your trim rotor. Great one, recommend. Let's see what in other boxes. Yes, this is a set of Countersink beads with depth stops, really high quality. I have another one, just a bead, not the set, like this one. You can see in the set we receive, just a moment, 3 different extra size of Countersink beads. Here is drill bits inside each one. You can see small detail, but this flattened part does not let the drill bit move inside the Countersink head. No, this one goes here. They put hex key all in nice plastic box, and the bead. This green is rubber, and it stops and do not leave any sign on material. I am using on mainly melamine OSB boards and wood, and no problem, no signs. It stops very easily, it rotates very easily, because inside you can see there is a bearing. So for the price about $8 to $10 for the set, all this set, I think it's great price for the quality which you get. As you can see, the insert is here very sturdy carpet material which you can find on router beads and etc. So for wood, melamine, OSB, MDF and etc. it will last very long time. So for such price I fully recommend this set. Let's go on and see what I have in other packages. Let's try this one. What we have inside this one? This is another great items. There is China brand Gunway. They make a lot of nice tools, adapters, jigs and etc. for very affordable price for the quality which we get from them. This is just a 5mm insert for different type of jigs. Let's see what we have in the box. Gunway, the brand, some information from them, and that's it. Let's see. First small box. So just want to show you, all this is brass, high quality polished brass. Here this handle is hardwood, natural hardwood. This some type of knife for with this type of blades. You can see different types. You put here, just let me to show you, like this, then tighten, and for marking and etc. things, when you are doing gentle works and you need precision, this type of knife is crucial. And changing blade, you all the time have nice sharp blades with very cheap price, and for this whole set I pay about $4. So by the feeling, sturdy and quality, you feel it. Let's see what I have in other box. Here I took this one, they have different sizes just to test. As you can see, this is 19mm version chisel, 3-4, 60 CRV hardened steel. All in all, it is not feels high quality like Narex or top end brand Lee Nelson, Veritas, but the price for $4, it's quite nice. We have metal, and as I know it's stainless steel bag, and you can work with a hammer very easily. The handle is hardened wood and feeling is very sturdy. Let's just try to see is it sharp or not, but it is not problem. No, it is not sharp, just we have angle. The sharpening is not problem, but overall for the price $4, I am very happy with this one. The quality and the price match each other, and again full recommend. I have a lot of things from this brand Gunway, and I very happy with all of them. Let's unbox this one with this newly unboxed marking knife. Yes, another package from Gunway. Let's see what we have. This is special screwdriver. Again, you feel the quality when unboxed. Hardened natural wood. All this part stainless steels. This head can move. this for planes and etc. to unscrew the nut on it, and the price is about $3. So for $3 I fully recommend. Again, this is the same brand, Gunway. And another nice tool from them, again some quality and other information here. You can see the packaging, how good they package. They have two types of this shaver. Again, all this hardwood, very sturdy, very quality. You can unscrew, do any maintenance. The nut, the thread material is stainless steel. All this brass, very nice polished brass. You can adjust in both ways. Just loosen this and can adjust it. You can see each corner separately you can adjust. Even famous brand Veritas, Nelson, not all of their models have this opportunity to adjust separately each corner and get very flat and precise knife end. Brass, all this aluminum, black part is aluminum. So very nice tool, and for price of it about $22. So I took this type to test, and by feeling it very nice and high quality, so we'll take other type 2 with rounded one. So I recommend this brand. You can without end up buy, and for the price which you pay, especially in China, you will get much more quality than the price. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like, please subscribe. It helped me to make new videos. Thank you and have a nice day.